Hello from beautiful Bali. Last time you saw us, we were in Thailand. This time we've come back to Bali just to spend a short week, and the next couple of days we're spending here in beautiful Ubud. This is our lovely hotel called the Bliss Ubud Abungan. It's beautiful. We've literally just walked in and we'd love to show you around. Our room's located on the first floor. We've got a lovely view of the beautiful little pool down here. And over here, beautiful seating area overlooking the rice paddies. How beautiful is that? We have breakfast included in our room, and tomorrow morning our breakfast will be brought up here where we can enjoy the lovely view while we eat our food. Heading on into the room, gorgeous room, plenty of space, got a beautiful king size bed, plenty of wardrobe space, and the most beautiful bathroom that I think I've seen of anywhere that we've stayed. Anyone that knows me knows I love a bath. How beautiful is that bathtub? With the beautiful view to match. Basin. Like one of these at home. And a beautiful shower as well. We're going to be staying here for 2 nights at the beautiful Bliss Ubud Abungan. We're going to go exploring through Ubud, which we haven't done before. So tonight we'll probably go for a wander through the streets, check out some markets, eat some beautiful food. Tomorrow morning we plan to do the ridge walk, which is not far from where we're staying, and basically just explore the area. We haven't been here, so we're pretty keen to check it out. We just finished a lovely meal here at Pika Pika restaurant in Ubud. We had some nasi goreng and some chicken cashew and enjoyed the lovely band tonight. Good morning from a bit of a wet Ubud this morning. It's our first full day here in Bali, and we were planning on doing the ridge walk this morning, but it is a little bit wet, so we've decided to come and check out the downtown instead. Our first stop is the Ubud Palace, so let's go and see.
I see your tears in the night. Lay it all on me. You built a wall inside. Just let it fall for me. I feel your pain and lonely. Don't be afraid to show it. Let it rain upon me. I'll be here for you. I met an old man once, and he said to me, the only thing that matters is what you believe.
So due to a downpour of rain, we didn't actually get to do the Ubud Palace, and we couldn't get in anyway, so I'm not sure what the story is there. So we decided to do the ridge walk after the rain had eased, and we made it up to the top to the cafe. We just had a lovely ice cream and we're ready to head back down.
Imagine, could you ever imagine? Don't give up, don't give in. Gotta fight through all of these fears. Say, hey, yeah. Could you ever imagine every melody can turn into a symphony instantly? I knew that you was meant for me, even when it was so hard to see. I knew that we could be. You did the same for me, now I'll be here for
We've awoken to a beautiful day here in Bali, and we've decided to come down to the rice terraces here in Ubud. This is the Telgallalang Rice Terrace, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong. beautiful day and we're looking forward to going and having a little explore down in the beautiful rice terraces. Down into the rice terraces, which is quite spectacular, very beautiful, and it's like a big gorge down here with running water. It's like the whole thing just is like in a big canyon. It's really cool.
I wanna know what it feels like to wake up like a giant. I wanna know what it feels like to be fearless like a lion heart. And I feel it in my blood, like the stars that illuminate the sky. There's a fire in my love, burning tonight, and I feel.
We've just had a beautiful breakfast here at Layana Warung. Beautiful views, can't beat this for breakfast, can you? So we're still having our lovely exploring day here in Bali with our lovely driver Komang. We are here at Tirta Gangga, which is the water palace. So we're very much looking forward to having a look and seeing what there is to see here today. Look at these very strong, clever ladies with the bricks on their head. That's got to be hard work.
Why can't this moment last forever? Tonight eternity's an open door. No, don't never stop doing the things you do. Don't go. And every breath I take, I'm breathing you. You hurry forever till the end of time. From now on, only you and I. We're going up, 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 up. You hurry and never let the beat of us. You're beating love within my heart. We're going up, 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 up. We are here, we're all alone in our universe. We are free, where everything's allowed and love comes first. Forever and ever together, we sail until we finish.
As you can see, this area is the main attraction where you get to walk on the stepping stones through the water, feed the fish along the way. It is extremely busy. It is about lunchtime, so that's to be expected. It took us about 2 hours to get here from Ubud, so it's not exactly close. But yeah, definitely worth it. Definitely something different that we haven't seen before.
You hurry and never let the beat of us. You're beating love within my heart. We're going up, 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 up.
We're here with our driver and tour guide Komang, who has been taking us around the east side of Bali today. Komang, would you like to introduce your business?
Thank you so much. My business name the Kananda Bali Tours.
Kananda Bali Tour.
Correct.
And how long have you been running Kananda Bali Tour
Running
for?
23 years ago, yeah.
That's a long time.
This is very long time.
So you were born and raised in Bali, so you know it very well?
Yes.
Yes.
I born in the countryside, in Denpasar, near Ubud too.
Yeah.
Yeah, near the countryside, in the middle of on the in the part to the and then pasar too. Yeah.
Nice. Lots of experience. And during COVID was obviously a very tough time for Bali with tourism. So what did you have to do to survive during that time?
You know, it's very sad, yeah. Everybody guide in Bali like me, yeah, for driver, yeah. This is back to the countryside, yeah. Have my mom to do some planting to the rice and the vegetable, you know. Some the flower, yeah. The hot chili, yeah. This is for survive for my little family, you know.
You just had to do what you could to survive during that hard time. Yeah. You also have a wife and a son to support as well.
Yes.
So that would have been harder, and another baby on the way now.
Yeah, on the way. Yeah, in June is coming soon.
Yeah. Very expensive to have children, as we all know.
Yeah. Thank you so much. You always support me for my small business too, with my family too. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. We enjoy spending time with you. We will add a link in the description below to Komang's website for Kananda Bali Tours.
That's right.
Yes. And you can check it out there and use Komang next time you're in Bali.
1 minute later.